Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is President's Day, February 17, 2025, and I'm here at my neighbor's house, and this birch tree here is pulled up, and it's leaning pretty bad. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this job or not, but let's take a look. This is actually leaning out onto another street here, and if it goes, it's going to cause blockage of both lanes. You can see here it's kind of cracked and not a whole lot holding it up. All right, let's see if we can do something with this. All right, so we're over here. We got the we used some fishing line to get a line up around that trunk up further, and then we used some of this nice poly rope here, 1/8 inch or so, to then pull the straps that I have. These are 20-foot long straps, and now what Will's doing here is he's cinching up the straps rather. Okay, and our plan is once we have that cinched up there, we'll go ahead and use a tractor to pull that tree down this way on this side of that other tree, but it will land on the road. So prior to doing that, what we're going to need to do is get a car up here on this part of the road with 4-way flashers on, and one down here below as well. All right, well, here's the plan. We got Will over there on standby closing that street. We have my friend Elizar over here closing that. I'm going to go ahead and pull and cinch this rope, and hopefully it'll pull it down. Alright, so that went pretty well. So it uprooted the tree. Okay, good. It definitely broke the roots here, we can see that. And just going along it here, you can see all kinds of debris here. Now originally my guess or concern was it would go across to the other side. All right, Will's taking charge here, getting this chopped up. I'm going to go ahead and get the tractor ready to push this out of the way so we don't impede any of the residents. Wow, look at this. I'm a good 50 feet away here, and you can see I've got a branch that kicked all the way out here. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is unhook my strap, get over there and push some of this debris out of the roadway. Elizar. Good job blocking the road.
Are you gonna get the loader?
Yeah, I'm gonna go. No, I'm gonna push it. Okay. All right, Elizar, I'm going to show you what the kids do. Hold a fist out. Heck yeah. All right, this is for the kids, man. Come on. Good job, Will. So that just saved you, what, a couple $1,000, right?
That's right.
And we made it safer for a longer period of time. So yeah, we can get the rest of this cleaned up as we go, right?
Yeah, I just want to get this out of the road. Yeah.
You want to move this still?
I want to get this out of the road so the county doesn't say.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, I can drag this one off.
All right. Do you need me to chop it up any?
No, that one's good. In fact,
this can wait.
Just
want to chop it there.
Yeah, that's good, Will. I'll drag the big boy off.
All right.
And then I'll come back and get this remainder big boy. And then this little debris, can we just pile here for now?
Yeah.
And so let me explain to you. The reason I don't have my loader on there, that's a plow. You know what a loader is, right?
Yeah, snow.
Because we got more snow coming. So, but
they
once
took it out of the forecast, it's all gone.
Oh, is it?
It's
okay,
like
maybe I'll put the loader on there.
1% chance of precipitation.
Yeah,
yesterday it was inches.
So no more snow.
Feet. No snow this
Okay,
week.
maybe I'll get the loader on sooner, but that's why I'm being lax. So
Can do it on the weekend.
all right, well, good job, guys, man. Thank you so much for your help, Elizar, and you too, Will. And
you're a genius.
My biggest fear was wind was going to kick in and it's going to fall on someone.
on a car, yeah. If that fell on a vehicle, oh my gosh.
Or someone walking their dog or something.
Oh yeah, that too. Yeah, we have a lot of walkers in the neighborhood, so good job, guys.
I saw that yesterday and they're worried into the morning.
You know, I'm glad you called, Will. So we got it taken care of. That's what neighbors do. All right. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Bye for now.
Just then.
Wow, look at this. This is pretty cool. We'll get it put in a safe place.
Epilogue.